98, 99, 100.
Keep going, keep going. Hey, what's up, dude?
What are you up to, man?
Just working out.
Hey, heading into town for Christmas. Got anything planned?
Oh, what? What's your ETA? 30. Got it. Later.
All right, later.
What's wrong, bro?
Bro, that was Nate on the phone. I served with him. He's gonna be in town in 30 minutes. I have nothing planned for Christmas.
Don't sweat it, bro. I got your back.
Nice.
Hey man, did you see Mikhail with those Ranger panties on this weekend?
Oh yeah, I saw it. Skies out, thighs out, right? Hey, what's up, bro?
Calling in that favor you owe me, bro.
Yeah, I got you. You need that favor? Yeah, what you need?
We need a tree, we need lights, decorations, stockings. Basically, we need the works, bro, and we need it yesterday.
Bro, we got a situation. We got to roll.
Roger that, let's go.
All right.
What's up, guys?
Got some care packages for you, bro.
Come on in.
Well, Merry Christmas to me.
What's going on, guys? Mikhail Venikov here with veteran nonprofit Ranger Road. I hope everybody enjoyed our Christmas video with a veteran twist. A little bit about Ranger Road. We work with all branches of the military and we provide services through sports and outdoor activities. Fishing, hunting, mountain biking, scuba diving, you name it, we do it. For more details, please visit rangerroad.org. And if you are interested in supporting our cause and supporting our American heroes through Ranger Road and the programs and events that we put together, please visit our website, rangerroad.org. Now remember, 100% of the proceeds that are donated to Ranger Road go directly to supporting our cause and our American heroes. Thank you very much.